All right, y'all. This is break number 197. It is 11 p.m. Central Standard Time or 12 midnight on Wednesday, September 21st. We got a NFL Mixer 2021. We got 2 select blaster boxes, 2 select hanger packs, and we got 2 Optic hangers. Let's go. First of all, if you're new to the group, I want to thank you all for joining. I hope to pull you all some fire. And appreciate you guys. What's up, Jason? Hey, so tonight, Ryan has the Cardinals and the Falcons. Keith has the Ravens. Mr. Tom has the Bills. Ryan has the Panthers. Jim R. got the Bears. Joshua, what's up, Joshua? Thank you for joining us. Got the Bengals. Sam and Tara got the Browns. Ryan has the Cowboys. Sam and Tara have the Broncos. Keith P. has the Lions. Mr. Tom has the Packers. Jim R. got the Texans. Sam and Tara got the Colts. Joshua K. got them Jaguars. Mr. Tom got the Chiefs. Ryan M. got the Chargers and the Rams. Keith P. got his Dolphins. Ryan M. got the Vikings. Austin B. got the Patriots. Ryan got the Saints. Adrian W. got the Giants. Keith A. got the Jets. Ryan got the Raiders. Will K. got the Eagles. Paula N. has the Steelers. Keith A. got the Niners. Dennis has the Seahawks. Mr. Tom the Bucks. Dennis the Titans. And Mr. Tom the Commanders. Let's go. All card ship, you guys. All these cards got a gloss surface on them. They can scratch. I will. There's Paula right there. Paula, you got them Steelers. Good luck. All cards are in at least penny sleeves. All rookies are top-loaded and team-bagged. And all cards ship. Love the select. I've opened 10 blasters in a break. I got another break posted on our Facebook group with 10 blasters in it. And we got an Optic break still open with a few teams left if you're interested. Hey, you're very welcome. Thank you. Appreciate it. Welcome to the group. I do post it to YouTube at the completion of the break. And we're going to pull some fire. We pulled some earlier out of... I wonder how I mixed those up, man. I got laser prisms here and had exactly 6 blasters in a previous break. And they were all disco, so I'm kind of excited. Let's see. Let's go. So good luck, everybody. If we do lose, I just moved from Texas to Washington, fighting with the internet people, trying to get everything lined out. If we drop service, give me 2 minutes and I'll log back on right here if it happens. I'll see it buffering and we'll go from there. It hasn't, but I'm just saying, if it does, because that's why I'm fighting with them, because I dropped the... it dropped on me during the day when I was shipping. So all card ship. I'm going to try to get all these out tomorrow. I have another order I'm working on from an earlier break tonight. So everything ships. Good luck. Rashad Bateman. Let's pull some fire. Quentin Williams, Jets. Patriots, Mac Jones. That is the concourse level. Travis Etienne, Jaguars. I got Joey B, Bengals. Jameis Winston on that Saints. About Emir Smith-Marset, rookie for the Vikings. We got Rams, Marshall Faulk. We got a silver die-cut Derek Carr going to the Raiders. I forget who had the Raiders tonight. Ryan, there you go, buddy. Lamar Jackson, numbers. James Robinson, this is a silver hidden talents. Very nice. Going to the Jags. Look at that Herbie. That Herbie is sick. Justin Herbert, Chargers. Come on. Tony Romo, Dallas Cowboys die cut. None of these ones are numbered here. William, what's happening? Simi, this was got a bullet hole right here. A Panini Pit. Simi, Cowboys, die cut. That Herbie was clean, Daddy. Ed Reed, Ravens, come on, Hall of Famer. We got Jim Kelly going to the Bills. Seth William, Broncos. Elijah Moore, rookie, going to the Jets. Aaron Rodgers, that's a bad man. He got a thumbnail right here. Pointed out to y'all. And Caleb Farley of the Titans. Pretty nice ones there. We will do a recap at the end here. If your card got a flaw on, I treated it as if it's in mint condition. But we will go. We'll do a recap, and I will get it posted to YouTube in case you're just tuning in just as soon as we finish. Some people prefer to watch it there. Yes, Austin, there was a one. Give me just a second. I'll show you. Danny, that thing is clean. Pretty nice. Concourse, die cut, Herbert. Yeah, one Mac Jones. We just started. We opened one hanger pack. Austin. Mac Jones was Concourse. Still a mac and cheese. We'll put them out here. We're gonna collect. We're gonna grab them. Let's open it. Let's stick with the select here on these hangers. Get them out of the way, and then we'll save the blasters for last on the select. Pulled straight fire out of select blasters. Pat Freiermuth, going to the Steelers. DJ Chark, Jaguars. Kenny Nwagwu, Vikings. Baltimore Ravens, Tylan Wallace, rookie. Nico Collins going to the Texans. Carlos Boogie Basham. Mac Fire, let's do it, buddy. Carlos Boogie Basham, Bills. Fields, love it. Let's go. That is also the Concourse Fields. David Montgomery, Bears. Back-to-back Bears. How about a Kyle Trask, silver, die-cut rookie. Very nice. Tommy Terrific, number 12, numbers. Terrace Marshall Jr. going to the Panthers. Keewitty Pay, Indianapolis Colts. Love his story. Die cut. God, you're a week too late, buddy. Trey Lance, that's beautiful. Concourse, die cut. Let's go. Trey Sermon. These are the premier level, the more diamond ones. And this is club level here. Anthony Schwartz, Browns. That's a beauty. Kyle Trask, Bucks. Byron Edwards, Raiders. J.J. Watt, Cardinals. Tylan Wallace, Ravens. Come on, baby. And Amon-Ra St. Brown, Lions. That's a club level. Very nice. We'll take it. I like it. Austin said, decent start. Let's pull some more mac and cheese fire. Let's go. I didn't like the select as much last year as some. I think I was upset that they put in retail after being in hobby only. I thought it kind of diminished the value at the time. I gotta say, I'm a fan this year, man. These are nice. I don't know why I try to put Anthony Schwartz out there. Come on, man. All card chip. If you're just tuning in. There's Ryan. Let's go. So these are the lasers. Couldn't sleep. Hey, well, tune in, buddy. You got a couple horses in this race, man. Glad you could join us. Hopefully I don't put you right to bed. We're going to pull some fire. 6 packs in there. 4 cards per pack. These are the lasers. Ryan, somehow I separated the 2 lasers I had and put them in this break. Melvin Gordon, Broncos. How about Jesse Bates going to the Bengals? We got a silver, non-rookie, Von Miller, Broncos. Let's go. And Kadarius Toney, emergent. Like it. Let's go, let's go. Appreciate you guys that got in the break from eBay. Hey, me too, now that he's with the Bills. Barry Sanders, Lions, come on. Sean Alexander of the Seahawks. Larry Roundtree, rookie, Chargers. Oh, nice one. Rondell Moore, Arizona Cardinals, laser. Kid reporter behind him. Ryan got them Cardinals tonight. Nice one, Ryan. We didn't get one in the last break, huh? Oh, absolutely, Ryan. Especially if you're in that Bills jersey. There you go. Adrian Amos, Packers. Tyler Boyd of the Bengals. Mike Gesicki, Dolphins. Laser, non-rookie. James Robinson, Jaguars. I think he's being utilized correctly at this point this year with Doug Peterson over in Jacksonville. I don't know that Urban was last year. I think he didn't like him, man. Is what it appears to me. That kid couldn't get a break. Got Jerry Jeudy, Broncos. David Carr, Texans. Devontae Smith, first base rookie of Devontae, your Heisman Trophy winning wide receiver. And Larry Johnson, Kansas City Chiefs. That's pretty clean. Devontae Smith, come on. Let's get some color, Devontae. Adam Thielen of the Vikings. Grady Jarrett, Falcons. Jonnu Smith, Patriots. We got a rookie laser. Come on, baby. A Packer. That would be Kylan Hill. Green Bay Packers. Do you, Ryan? Yeah, it's a little bit of everything, man. About to chase this downtowns on these 2 Optic hangers. That'd be kind of cool. Just a little mix. Maybe we can bring some new folks to the group. See what we're about, what kind of good group we got there. Jonathan Abram, Raiders. Rock Ya-Sin, Colts. Kellen Mond, base rookie with the Vikings. We got an Eagle laser, non-rookie. Yeah, that is sweet. Jalen Hurts. Eagles. Who got them Eagles tonight? Will got them Eagles, buddy. Yeah, that is. Okay, he's an Eagles fan. I figured when he only had the one team, he got to be an Eagles fan. That's a beauty, buddy. Nice hit. Congratulations. Oh, sorry. One more Prizm. Let's keep up these lasers. Let's get a mac and cheese or one of these quarterbacks. We did get the Trey Lance in the select. That was pretty cool out of those hanger packs. Hey, no problem, man. Thank you. 6 packs here. 4 cards. 24 cards. Great time to pull a Hurts, Daddy said. It is, man. It most certainly is. How about a Sean Taylor, Commanders? Matt Ryan, Falcons. We got a silver, Cowboy, non-rookie. Jalen Smith. Okay. And we got a fireworks, Aaron Jones, Green Bay Packers. Yeah, Danny says great time to pull a Hurts. And I think as the season progresses, it's only going to continue to be that way because they look good, man. They look real good. Parsons, there you go. Yeah, I seen you got them Cowboys tonight. Let's go. Michael Brockers, Lions. Carson Wentz, Colts. How about Patrick Jones II going to the Vikings? We got a laser rookie, a Ram. That's going to be Ernest Jones of the Rams. Hey, that Pitts disco we pulled earlier was clean, man. Loved it. Let's try and let's get it, buddy. I'm with it. Yeah, it was pretty nice, man. Come on, baby. Come on. Jake Plummer going to the Broncos. Joey B. Bengals. We got Buda Baker, Cardinals. And Peyton Manning laser, Colts. Sam and Tara. That's pretty clean there, man. They'll like that. I don't know if they're watching. They usually watch on YouTube as soon as I post it. They'll have me let them know when it's finished downloading. They'll tune in. Here we go. Aaron Rodgers, Packers. David Johnson, Texans. They will like that one. Heck yeah. Emir Smith-Marset, rookie, Vikings. Non-rookie, laser. How about Aaron Jones? He's off to a good start. That looks clean on that laser there, too. Going to the Packers. Go, Pack, go. That's Mr. Tom. Jamar and T-Law. Call it, Josh. Joshua said we need Jamar and T-Law. Let's do it. Tyrann Mathieu, Honey Badger, Chiefs. Young Ho Koo, Falcons. Who grabbed them Bills? Yeah, you know he did. He did. Kevin Mawai, Jets. We got a rookie, Charger, Rashawn Slater. Going to the Chargers, rookie. Yeah, Mr. Tom got 5 teams. Bills were one of them. If it ain't you, it's him. You know it? This one might be a little thicker or have a kid reporter in it. God dang. Look at this. Tre'Davious White. Some hater did that. God dang, that thing is all jacked up. Next one is nice. Trey Nixon, Patriots. We got rookie gear. Chubba Hubbard. That's clean. Nice mem card there going to the Panthers. Michael Vick laser. Yeah, I don't know what he got him for, but if you ain't on him, he will be. I'd say that they're going to be hot now. A lot of people will. Michael Vick. Hey, that's a nice rookie gear. Going Ryan. Bam. Ryan got them Panthers tonight. Chubba Hubbard. Hopefully he can get fired up here soon. Start getting busy. Oh, the Waddle was sick. And the Waddle was sick, man. That's still a nice one. Optic, downtown. Let's go. They sure do, don't they? Hey, because they pop. Because you saw the Mac Jones one too. It didn't pop like auto patch. Come on, baby. Can we hit a downtown? Downtowns have been pretty evasive for me. As many of we as opened, both hobby and retail. I like it though. It keeps the value up there. TJ Hawkinson Lions. Darren Waller Raiders. Let's go. Kirk Cousins Vikings. Jordan Poyer Bills. Love them. Darius Slayton Giants. We got Mike Evans Bucks. Jimmy G Niners. Hines Ward Steelers. Michael Pittman, get better, young man. They need you. Colts. Alvin Kamara Saints. First rookie. Ian Book, Saints. Dwayne Eskridge, rated rookie, going to the Seahawks. Semi, Cowboys, rated rookie. And we got a silver rated rookie, Dwame Brown. Very nice. Dwame, our first blue. Kiwitty Pay, blue scopes. We should have, is it 4 in a box? 3. Sometimes you get extra. Kiwitty Pay, scope. Oh, nice. Who got them Patriots? Austin. Very nice, buddy. Congratulations. Elijah Vera Tucker going to the Jets. Kellen Mond, gifted rookies. Elijah Moore, white hot rookies. And Kiwitty Pay is our variation on that Silver Hollow Prizm Colts. Give me just a second. Austin, nice hit. Keep them coming. Austin, if it's all right with you, I'm going to slide that mac and cheese in this Pro mold. If you're not familiar with them, they are safe to ship in. It's recessed on the inside, so you can put a penny sleeve in them. I normally don't like shipping cards out of a Pro mold. I mean, yeah, if it's not in a Pro mold, I won't. Because I want to have the penny sleeve on there so I don't scratch the surface. Oh, gotcha, buddy. I got you. Nice hit. Congratulations. It's nicely centered, too. That's what first caught my eye. Because that's not a given. Nice hit. Congratulations, buddy. Yeah, because if the card is slightly bowed at all, you know, some Prizms and stuff like that, it'll scratch a surface because it's slightly bowed in the middle. So I like it with the penny sleeve on there. I swear by the Pro molds. They don't shift. Move around. Mac Jones. Nice hit, buddy. Congratulations. Let's ride. Nice hit to keep it rolling. Catch up on a couple of these Kiwitty Pay variation. Nice. Hey, you're very welcome. Thank you. A Dwame Brown, Silver Hollow. Yeah, I got you down for 9, Ryan. Cardinals, Falcons, Panthers, Cowboys, Chargers, Rams, Vikings, Saints, Raiders. Let's go. That was a nice hit in there. Let's ride. What else can we get? Where's T-Law at? Josh was asking about him. The dude's been evading us tonight. Love the Optic, man. All the colors in them. Of course, the downtowns. Hey, there you go. There you go. Yeah, because I'm going to put a team bag over it. It's not opening. It's not moving. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Chiefs. Mike Gesicki, Dolphins. Blake Martinez, Giants. Marcus May, Jets. Come on, baby. Jake Plummer, Broncos. Mark Brunell, Jaguars. Kareem Hunt, Browns. Jamal Adams, Seahawks. DJ Moore, Panthers. Laviska Shenault, Jaguars. Quinn Menarez, he's a center for the Denver Broncos, rated rookie. Tutu Atwell, Rams. Carlos Boogie Basham, get him, Bills. We got a silver hollow Diggs, nice. There you go, Mr. Tom. Silver Diggs, like it. Jake Funk, rated rookie, blue scope, is our first blue scope. There's one. Greg Russo is 2. 3. Nice. Kyle Pitts. There you go. Ryan, that's a nice hit. Oh, we got an extra. Jalen Darden, Tampa Bay Bucks. Yep, gave us 4. Trey Lance, Elite Series rookie, San Francisco 49ers. Let's go. Get better. Retro Series, Rodgers, Staubach, very nice. Cowboys, and our variation, Terrace Marshall Jr., Carolina Panthers. Let's go. Man, we got them hangers are nice, man. I like them. I got a break listed on our Facebook group. There's I forget how many teams are left. I think 10, maybe 12. But it's we got some megas and some hangers in it. Oh, it's all Optic. And then we got a select 10 blaster box. Somebody else tried to buy the Staubach I pulled out of the select the other day, the die cut. I was like, no, it belongs to somebody else. And they're like, hey, ask him what he wants for it. Yeah, come on, Josh. Josh, you got 2 teams. Bengals and Jags. Need that T-Law to make it right. Let's go. Come on, T-Law. Oh, he's bailed us out before. First select. Okay, so if you haven't been able to open any of these, there's 24 cards per box. It's got 6 packs, 4 cards per pack, just like the Prizm. You got the 3 blaster exclusive red and blue Prizm die cuts. You can get an auto from some of the game's hardest stars in select signatures, and 1 silver Prizm die cut per box on average. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get a Jamar for Josh. I like it, Ryan. Let's do it. Nice one. Hey, because you can't get numbered ones out of here. That's what was nice. 6. 6 there. We pulled a Tom Brady gold die cut Mojo numbered to 10 the other night, and a bunch of others. These blasters are good. Well worth the money. I think I paid $53 a piece secondhand on most of these, and worth every dime. Micah Parsons, Cowboys, let's go. T-Law, first one, we'll take it. Looks clean too, Josh. It is Concourse. Ezekiel Elliott, red and blue, die cut. Waddle. God dang, that pack was, the blasters are nice, man. I don't know about these hanger packs that they did. Compared to a hanger box. And then I've seen, be careful, the hanger packs are better than the value packs, is my understanding. I haven't came across any hanger packs or hanger values. I don't know what they're called. Value packs, sorry. think that's what was up on Target earlier, somebody said. I think Dennis told me. Maybe Ryan did too. Let's go. Yeah, these things are loaded. Come on, baby. Let's get a low number beauty. Tommy Terrific going to the Bucks. We got Baker Mayfield, Browns. These things look nice, man. Adam Thielen, the hidden talents. See how much nice that silver one looked nicer than this on that James Robinson earlier. And then Rashad Bateman, Ravens rookie. We'll take that all day long. Premier level, come on. Bateman had a nice catch last week. Got our first Parsons out of that first pack. Let's go. We've gotten one red, white, or red and blue so far. Trey Sermon, rookie, Niners. Danny Dimes going to them Giants. Davis Mills, red and blue, die cut, sweet, Texans. And Terrell Williams, Lions. That Davis Mills is nice. Old long neck. Some people have them in their power rankings as the worst team in the NFL right now. I don't know how some people feel about that. I don't know if I agree with that. It's kind of hard after 2 weeks. Semi, Cowboys, let's go. Charles Woodson, Raiders. TJ Watt, that is sick. That's a club level. TJ Watt, Steelers, red and blue, and an Anthony Schwartz, Cleveland Browns rookie. TJ Watt is not numbered. That is the club level. That is clean. Hope that young man gets to feeling better here soon too, man. All right. Come on, numbered. Let's see some number. Can get them autos too. Jalen Camp, Texans. Rashad Bateman, Ravens. Yeah, the die cuts are clean, buddy. We got Kyler Murray, numbers. Yeah, me too. They need them. How about a Deebo Samuel, silver, die cut. That'll be your concourse level. Clean. Niners. Paula, I'm with you. I hope he does too, man. They really need him. He's a super playmaker, but sometimes it's just his presence out there when you don't have to worry about him and, you know, it can do your job. It helps them guys, so they need him. I don't think it's going to be long. I think he's going to make it back. Okay, last pack from our first blaster. Jared Goff, Lions. These guys might mess around and win the North. Anthony Schwartz, Browns. How about Jamar Chase, our first one, going to the Bengals. Select, certified. Ty Johnson, Jets. Last card in that one. Let's go, Jamar. Nice. First Jamar. We're not done. Got one more box. So let's ride. Let's ride. No, not a bad chase. Some color'd be nice right now. I think we're going to get some. Let's go. All right, y'all. Broncos Nation, let's ride. They ain't been riding very hard, have they? I forget who they got coming to town this week. Somebody is going to Denver. They are on upset alert. 3-6. Let's go. Come on. Quarterbacks. Let's ride. Juju Smith-Schuster, Steelers. How about Rashawn Slater, Chargers rookie? We got a not sweet red and blue die cut, Joey B. DJ Moore, Panthers. Come on. That Joey B is a concourse Prizm. Love it. I'm going to put it in the top loader right now. Who got them Bengals? Joshua, come on. Yeah, there you go, buddy. First one, that's all right. Maybe this is your box here. That's clean. Please try to help that man stay upright, y'all. Zach Wilson. First Zach Wilson. Let's go, Jets. Ooh, Zebra. Dolphin. Ricky Williams. What? For who? For what? Ricky Williams. That is not numbered. That is clean. Zebras are not. Sick, though. Die cut. Ricky Williams, Dolphins. Turbocharged. Travis Etienne Jr. And Matty Ice. Oh, Keith got that. Ryan, did you know Keith got in there? We got 2 Keiths in the break, but Keith got 3 teams in there. Zebra is cool. That's going to him. He got his Dolphins, Ravens, and one more I forgot. Patty Mahomes, Chiefs, let's go. This is a hot box. I can feel it. Dwayne Eskridge, Seahawks rookie running back. Eagle, Kenneth Gainwell, red and blue. Nice. And Terrace Marshall Jr., Panthers. Kenneth Gainwell. Yes, it is. Let's go. That is sick. Love it. Like Gainwell, too. Yeah, he did. He was on it. Derek Gore, Chiefs rookie. This is only one of the sets you can get him in. Derek Gore for the Chiefs, running back. Troy Polamalu, Steelers. We got a blue Charger, red and blue Austin Eckler, club level, die cut. Let's go. And Aaron Donald of the Rams. Eckler is clean. I hope Eckler can get to doing better. I don't know if we're going to have Herbert this Sunday. Take it. Yeah, heck yeah, man. Buddy, that's clean, man. Heck yeah. Like it. Let's go. Come on. We got Sam Ehlinger of the Colts, rookie. He might get some time here before long, if not. Elijah Moore, Jets. This got a thumbnail down here in the bottom. It's damaged. I still treat it as if it's mint. I'll protect it. Terrell Davis, hidden talents. Denver Broncos. And we got a die cut, maybe silver behind it. A rookie, a Raven, Tylan Wallace, Baltimore Ravens. Nice. Tylan Wallace silver. Last pack, y'all. Last pack. Come on, baby. T-Law. Got to be in here, buddy. We didn't get a number either. Devontae Adams, Packers. Michael Carter, Jets. By the numbers, George Kittle. Numbers, select. Send you the Ricky. Jalen Darden finishing it out. Premier level. Jalen Darden. Okay. There she is. Hey, I tell you what, we're going to throw in one mosaic pack. We got 15 cards inside. This has got the 3 exclusive camo pink camos. Love these. We didn't have any mosaic in this 2021 break. Let's throw this in for free. Let's go. Good luck, everybody. Maybe we can get a T-Law here. Pink camo would be nice. Jenny would be nice. Let's go. DJ Moore, Panthers. Come on. Carson Wentz, Colts. Jalen Hurts, Eagles. I got a Bobby Wagner, Seahawks. Kadarius Toney, NFL debut, Giants. Let's ride. Hey, True Mixer. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, there you go, William. Aaron Jones, NFC Packers. How about Bobby Wagner, Silver Mosaic, Seahawks. True legend there. Frank Dollar Darby. Come on, man. Green Mosaic. Going to the Falcons. Got game. Deshaun Watson, Texans. We got a silver Prizm Niner rookie. Nice. NFL debut. Trey Lance, 49ers. Come on. Like it. I like it. Ben Skoranek, Rams rookie. And Deo going to the Colts. Got them Niners. Keith A. got the Niners. There you go. Trey Lance, get better, young man. Bonus pack. 3 pink camos. These are my favorite out of the mosaic. I mean, I like all the colored, but the pink are Patrick Queen, Ravens. Leonard Floyd, Rams. Does that mean we're going to get a rookie at the end? Please, please, please. It is a rookie. It is a Viking. Kellen Mond. There we go. Minnesota Vikings. Pink camo. Nice. Usually if you don't get the rookie up front, NFL debut or not, then it'll be the rookie at the end. Usually. Kellen Mond. That was a good pack. Got a Trey Lance silver debut and a pink. Hey, recap time, y'all. Recap. Let's go. Appreciate you guys. Super nice, but love your narrative and knowledge, Walter. Thanks. Hey, thank you, Paula. That's what I'm talking about right there. I appreciate that very much. Hey, get your sleep, buddy. Hey, thank you, Josh. Thank you for joining. I wish I could have got you a T-Law there, man. Sorry about that. Greg Russo, Blue Scope. This ain't all the rookies or hits. This is, hey, thank you, William. Appreciate you, buddy. This is just a recap of the majority. Some of the base ones. All cards. Rookies are penny sleeve, top loader, and team bag. Protecting your investment. That's the way you're supposed to do it in the hobby, man. You don't want something folded up. Maybe next time, Josh. Let's do it. Greg Russo, Blue Scope, and all cards will be in at least a penny sleeve. Jalen Darden, Tampa Bay Bucks, Blue Scope. Trey Lance, Elite Series rookie, Niners. Let's ride. Retro Series, Rodgers Staubach. That's clean. How about a Terrace Marshall Jr., rated rookie, Carolina Panthers, variation, Dwayne Brown, Silver Hollow. Kiwiti Pay, rated rookie, Blue Scope, Colts. There's the variation to go right with it. How about a Michael Vick, Falcons, Laser, Rashawn Slater, Chargers, Peyton Manning, Laser. This one's with the Colts. Patrick Jones, Vikings rookie. Ernest Jones, Rams, Laser. I got a Kellen Mond, Vikings base, Prizm. That Hurts is sick, man. Like Danny said earlier, what a great time to pull that. That centering is beautiful. Jalen Hurts, Laser, Eagles, Kylan Hill, Green Bay Packers rookie. How about a Devontae Smith going with his teammate over there in Philly? It's your Heisman Trophy winning wide receiver, Devontae Smith, Eagles. Larry Roundtree, Chargers base. Rondell Moore, Cardinals, Laser. Trey Sermon, Niners, beauty. Premier level die cut. Emergent, Kadarius Toney, Giants. Anthony Schwartz, club level die cut. Amon-Ra St. Brown, Lions. That'll be a club level. And that Herbert, man, Justin Herbert, that's a beauty. Get better, young man. They're saying he's day-to-day currently. He may play this week. Cracked cartilage in the rib area. Tony Romo, Cowboys, die cut. Concourse level, semi, die cut. Cowboys rookie. Kellen Mond, pink camo. Trey Lance, NFL debut, Niners. How about a Tylan Wallace, silver, die cut. Going to the Ravens, that's concourse level. Diggs, hollow. Bills, Optic, love it. Austin Eckler, red and blue, club level. That's a nice card. How about Kenneth Gainwell, red and blue. Eagles, sick, die cut. Joey B, what a beauty that is. Red and blue, concourse. Jake Funk, scope, come on. Jamar Chase, I think this is the only one we got in a whole break. Jamar Chase, that is a select certified Chase. Debo Samuel, silver die cut. Got a TJ Watt, red and blue, club level, Steelers. Micah Parsons, base rookie. Concourse rookie. Rashad Bateman, like him, Ravens, premier level. Ezekiel Elliott, red and blue, die cut. That's nice. Cowboys, concourse. Jalen Waddle, Dolphins, club level. Come on. We hit one Trevor Lawrence at a select. It is the concourse level. Not what we were looking for. We were wanting some color. Really make it pop. Chuba Hubbard, Panthers, rookie gear. These do pop with that teal color like Ryan said earlier. Very nice card. Mac Jones. We got a mac and cheese. Blue scope. Come on. Justin Fields, we hit one. It is concourse level. We also hit this Mac Jones. Patriots, concourse. And a nice Pitts. Blue scope. Sweet. How about a Davis Mills, red and blue, die cut. That'll be your premier level. Nice one. There's a Trey Lance, die cut, concourse. And Ricky Williams, zebra, die cut, clean, premier level. Hey, I appreciate y'all. I hope y'all have a great evening. Thank you very much. Welcome all new members. I appreciate you guys. Thank you.